Hello friends, welcome back for your math lesson today. We are going to be talking about word problems today. So this video is going to supplement page 1 of your math section of your packet. And the title of this page is called Spring Story Problems. All right, so we are going to be talking about some story problems as well. So I'm going to read you the story problem 2 times. So I want you to turn your listening ears on and get ready. Okay, our first story problem says, Emma had 2 red candies and 4 yellow candies. How many candies did she have in all? Okay, I want you to listen one more time. Emma had 2 red candies and 4 yellow candies. How many candies did she have in all? Okay, so we're going to have to figure out how many candies Emma had. So we know that she had 2 red candies and 4 yellow candies. Okay, so I know that we are adding because we want to know how many candies she had all together. So that tells me that we're adding because they asked how many candies we have in all. So all together. So I know that we have 2 red and 4 yellow. But you know what? I'm not sure what 2 plus 4 is. So I'm going to use something to help me. So I'm going to use my crayons. So I'm going to use 2 red crayons. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. And then I also need 4 yellow crayons. Okay, so I have my 2 red and my 4 yellow. All right, so I'm going to have to figure out how many there are all together. So I'm going to count them. Please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many candies does Emma have in all? If you said 6, your answer is correct. So we counted them to figure out that Emma has 6 candies in all. So 6 altogether. Great job. All right, keep those thinking caps on. We have one more story problem. Okay, our next story problem says, Johnny had 3 yellow freeze pops and he had 2 green freeze pops. How many did Johnny have in all? So Johnny had 3 yellow freeze pops and 2 green freeze pops. How many did Johnny have in all? All right, so we know so far that we have 3 yellow freeze pops and 2 green freeze pops. So 3 and 2. And they asked us, how many do we have in all? So that tells me, if my thinking cap is turned on, that in all means how many do we have all together? So this is an addition problem. So 3 plus 2 equals blank. Well, you know what? I'm not sure what 3 plus 2 is, so I'm going to use some crayons to help me. So I have 3 yellow freeze pops. 3 yellow freeze pops and 2 green freeze pops. I want to know how many freeze pops I have all together. So I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you said that there were 5 freeze pops all together, you were correct. 3 plus 2 is 5. Great job, friends. All right, thank you so much for joining me for math today, and I will see you soon.